focus this week that's led to widespread flooding concerns. We had our fair share of flooding on Tuesday in Kalamazoo and even parts of the Grand Rapids area. But look at this, from Pennsylvania all the way down to northeast Texas. Massive view of flood watches, and then all of the lighter green polygons are warnings along rivers, streams, or lakes, etc. And some of those do extend into Michigan. So while it's a main concern off to the south, we do have a couple here to watch locally. Portage River near Vicksburg still in effect until Sunday morning. And then we also added the flood watch here. This went into effect today through next Thursday. So if we get any more moisture, which we are looking at tonight, and the potential for some snow, which is rainwater, on Monday, well, this could turn to a warning, and we'll watch for some localized flooding along the Comstock Park area of the Grand River. As for South Haven right now, mostly cloudy skies with filtered sunshine is the best way to describe it, but it really is one flat layer of clouds. East wind keeping the water calm, so a nice evening there. And there have been a couple of boats in and out this evening, and even a few people walking the pier, but we're watching for rain to approach our southwest communities first as the system is moving up from the south. Montcalm County, gloomy conditions as well. That's really been the story the second half of the day after that early morning sunshine. We do have some cooler air setting up in Whitehall, Pentwater back to the 40s, as well as Cedar Springs and Belding. 50s remain, though, from I-96 to the south. 53 Kalamazoo, 52 Delton, Allegan, Caresco, 53 in Grand Junction as well. So fairly comfortable evening temperature-wise. We're not going to cool down majorly tonight. Thankfully, we're staying above freezing, so no concerns with the moisture that will arrive. And the east wind will eventually turn northerly into tomorrow. But until we get there, again, the east wind's going to try to keep us as dry as possible, as long as possible. But I think 9 o'clock is when a few showers may start to take into Grand Rapids. Won't get widespread or steady, though, until we get to the overnight period where there could be some really heavy bands. Want to point out, to the wind shift. Winds will be a little more southerly near the state line, supporting more moisture to move up. And that's why we'll see those steadier pockets further south of Grand Rapids. By noon, clouds do start to break. We trend in the right direction through the evening. Might be too little too late to get much sunshine in the afternoon, but a possible view of the sunset as clouds slide to the east. Into Sunday afternoon, a mix of sun and clouds, but it should trend sunnier than cloudier, so a nice end of the weekend, although it will be a little bit cooler. As for the rainfall, again, north of Grand Rapids, some steadier pockets, but really heavy rain could be in store for another half-inch plus down near I-94 to Kalamazoo, Lansing, off to the south and east. Similar trend to what's set up again with rain on Wednesday as well. So here's a look at some the 7-day forecast, rather. Snow and mix on Monday. That's the cool stretch there. Cold front will arrive Monday morning. Stick with us through Tuesday night, but 50s return with more rain chances next week.